In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly remove the background from a video using Canva. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Removing backgrounds from videos sounds like a task meant for experts, right? Well, not anymore. With Canva, it's as easy as pie, and you don't need advanced editing skills to get it done. So let's dive in and get started. To kick things off, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Canva project. If you're new to Canva, it's an intuitive design tool that's widely used for creating stunning visuals, including videos. Now, if you have not signed up yet, you'll want to create an account and start a new project. You'll see there's plenty of templates and tools to explore, but for today, our focus is solely on video editing. Once you're in your Canva dashboard and have your project loaded, the next step is to select the video you want to edit. Simply navigate to your uploads or video library and choose the video file you've been meaning to work on. With the video on your design space, click directly on it to bring up its editing options. This is where the magic begins. Now you'll see a host of features, but we'll direct our attention to the BG Remover button. It's normally labeled clearly, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Once you click on it, Canva's sophisticated algorithms jump into action, automatically identifying and removing the background from your video. This seamless process transforms your video into one with a transparent or plain backdrop, which is immensely useful if you're planning to overlay your video on different scenes or themes without pesky distractions. Just like that, without any additional settings or lengthy waits, the background removal is complete. Canva makes it efficient and incredibly user-friendly, even making edits that will leave your content looking professional and polished. To wrap things up, you can now preview your video to ensure the background removal is to your satisfaction. Feel free to add new backgrounds, texts, or any other elements that resonate with your project vision. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to download and share your masterpiece with the world. You can download the video in various formats depending on where you intend to publish it. And there you have it, background removal made simple with Canva. This feature truly opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to focus on the content you love without the technical hassle. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.